Alright, YouTube land, back with another video. This time we've got a Cobra 29 LTD Chrome. This is the black Chrome. This was sent in by Sam. Sam sent this in. He said it had some issues. This is his baby. The only radio really runs. And it's not working like it has been as far as he noticed the carrier was low. He traded it off, got it back. It used to dead key about 7 watts or so. Well, Sam, I went through this thing with the RFX kit on it. I went through the whole thing. I did a factory alignment on the radio all the way through, transmit and receive for you. And the only thing that I found, I couldn't get the carrier up more than about 3 watts. You're well over 100% modulation, but that's all I can do. I was going to try to set it more towards 100%, but I don't know if maybe the drivers in the RFX section have gotten weak or what. But we've got the radio working. Like I say, it's way over 100% modulation at 80 watts PEP. But it does sound decent, and it's clean on the we cleaned it up on the spectrum analyzer. Doesn't have a very good waveform, but let me take this off. TX. Plug this in. Hold on just a second, guys. So, like I say, as we say here, about 75, 80 watts PEP, and it's crystal clear. That's 100 megahertz. We'll go up to 300, and yeah, looking good, man, all the way across. So what it is doing for you, yeah, it's way over 100% modulation, Sam, but it is loud and clear, and the distortion is just not there. So what we're going to do now is let me pause the video and we'll show you the receive. Okay, we're back and we got the mic hooked up and we got it on the SINET here. Not bad for a Cobra 29 at all, and it falls out about negative 115 where it starts. Let's see here. Yeah, where it gets really low, falls out negative 115 or so, where it starts. Not bad for a Cobra 29 at all. You can still hear the tone there. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but anyway, we can bring that up. Now your S meter was out of cal. We got that turn this down. Anyway, we got the your S meter in calibration. No problem there. And like I say, it's got a pretty good receiver on it. So Sam, I'm sorry that I really couldn't find the main problem you come up with, because this thing's working, it's not overheating, and it's doing a good job. So it ought to do you a good job. I understand the video you sent me, and I can't find anything that's out of alignment or misaligned. The only thing I'm thinking is maybe something in this RFX kit has gotten a little weak, maybe. But I took the RFX kit apart and checked. I even I actually game tested the transistors in there, and everything checks good. So I don't know. So we're gonna get this thing back to you, Sam. I know you've been waiting on it, and I appreciate your business. And again, hope we do business again. Got a lot coming up. Y'all continue to stay tuned. Y'all be safe, be careful, be kind. We'll catch you next time. I'm gone.